In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the phone number on your Mint Intuit account. If you need to update the mobile number connected to your account, the process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it without confusion. Keeping your phone number up to date is important because Intuit may use it for account verification, security alerts, and sign-in confirmation. To get started, go to the Intuit account's sign-in page. Once you're there, sign in using your email address, phone number, or user ID along with your password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one Intuit profile. After you're signed in, look for the section called Sign In and Security. This area contains the settings related to how you access and protect your account. Click on Sign In and Security to open it, and then find the phone section. This is where your current number is listed and where you'll make the update. Next, select Phone, or click the edit icon next to it if that's what appears on your screen. This will open the option to change the existing number. Enter your new mobile number carefully. It's a good idea to double check the digits before continuing, since any typo could prevent you from receiving verification messages. Once you enter the new number, follow the verification prompts shown on screen. Depending on your account settings, Intuit may ask you to confirm your identity before the change is accepted. This is a normal security step designed to protect your account from unauthorized updates. After completing the prompts, save your changes. At this point, Intuit may send a verification code to your new phone number, either by text message or through an automated call. When you receive the code, enter it exactly as provided to confirm that you own the new number. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and make sure your phone has signal and can receive texts or calls. You can also check that you entered the number correctly before requesting another code if that option is available. Once the code is accepted, your new phone number should be successfully linked to your Mint Intuit account. And that's it. Your account contact and security information is now updated.